Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Marna Piggy Steamer is probably one of the most innovative and adorable kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, designed to make steaming your food not only efficient but also a delightful experience, transforming everyday cooking into something a little more fun and whimsical with its charming piggy design that's sure to bring a smile to your face while you prepare healthy and delicious meals. Number 5. McCulloch MC 1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. Deep clean your home naturally without harsh chemicals. This powerful steam cleaner uses hot, pressurized steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from virtually any surface. It comes equipped with 23 accessories to tackle any steam cleaning job. From floor mopping to detailed scrubbing, it has everything you need for a spotless home. Experience professional car detailing right in your driveway. Its powerful steam technology and specialized attachments make it easy to reach every nook and cranny, leaving your car immaculate. With a large 64-ounce tank, it heats up quickly and provides up to 2 hours of continuous steam. Blast away dirt and grime with adjustable steam control for any task. The extra-long power cord and steam hose give you incredible maneuverability. You can easily reach those difficult spots without constantly moving the unit. Built to meet U.S. voltage requirements, this cleaner is certified, safety tested, and warranted for use in the United States. What we like? This cleaner offers a powerful, chemical-free steam solution for deep cleaning. Its extensive accessory kit makes it incredibly versatile for tackling grime on various surfaces. If you're looking for a thorough, eco-friendly clean for your entire home, including car detailing, this is an excellent choice. What people say? This has been a well-worth purchase. My process was to let the steam do as much of the work for me as possible. I pull the trigger and move slowly over the grout line, letting the bristles drag on the tile. I do about 3 slow back and forth passes, and as I'm finishing up the third pass, the gunk is already starting to wipe away with the very gentle bristle pressure. Once I'm done scrubbing, I take my trusty disposable automotive rag, wipe up the water, and I'm off to the next grout line. It's that easy. It was very easy to set up and use right out of the box. It takes about 8 minutes from the time you fill it up to ready. The steam power is strong and effective, and it made deep cleaning feel quick and manageable. I really appreciate that it allows for chemical-free cleaning, which is important to me, especially in a home with a kid. It worked great on floors, windows, countertops, and toilets. It helps remove sealer residue, paint, and all the construction dust accumulated on corners and edges in doors and windows. It also shortens the time cleaning the restroom. The construction is much better with better attachments in addition to the ability of adjusting the steam volume. I used the machine very extensively for 2 days and it can keep the stream going for about 30 to 35 minutes with 48 ounces of distilled water. Number 4. Marna K900 Pig Drop Lid. Introducing a charming pig-shaped lid designed to make your cooking more enjoyable. Its adorable design adds a touch of fun to your kitchen. This lid is generously sized, perfect for simmering large quantities of food. It fits well on frying pans, making it ideal for family meals. The clever pig nose design features air holes to let steam escape, preventing messy spills. It also includes a convenient way to lift the lid. Made from soft silicone, it seals and heat efficiently, ensuring your food cooks evenly. This helps infuse flavors deeply and prevents ingredients from bumping around. Achieve perfectly heated dishes in less time. It ensures even heat distribution, allowing flavors to meld beautifully. This versatile lid is safe for microwave use and easy to clean in the dishwasher. It's designed for your convenience. What we like? This large, cute pig-shaped lid is perfect for simmering and cooking larger batches. Its design prevents spills while ensuring even heat circulation for delicious results. If you often cook for a crowd or enjoy slow-cooked meals, this lid will make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. What people say? It seals the container but allows steam to escape. They are easy to lift and have good steam vents so things boil over less. The ears are hard enough to lift it and avoid getting burned. Number 3. Marna K092P Pig Dropping Lid. Introducing the Marna K092P Pig Dropping Lid, a versatile kitchen essential. Its unique design ensures efficient heat circulation and prevents spills. Made from durable, heat-resistant silicone, it conforms to your food, keeping moisture in and preventing boil-offs. This also makes it a handy bottle opener. The charming pig nose design features air holes for safe steam release, preventing messy splatters. It adds a touch of fun to your cooking. It keeps food perfectly in place during simmering, preventing clumping. This allows for quicker heating and deeper flavor penetration into your dishes. This lid is microwave safe and doubles as a bottle opener. Cleaning is a breeze as it's also dishwasher and dryer safe. Crafted from high-quality silicone rubber, it's built to withstand high temperatures up to 488 degrees Fahrenheit. Its smooth surface ensures easy cleaning. What we like. This smaller, pink pig lid is designed for efficient heat circulation and preventing food from moving during simmering. Its adorable design adds a touch of fun to your cooking. If you enjoy precise cooking, want to enhance flavor penetration, and appreciate a bit of whimsy in the kitchen, this is the lid for you. What people say. Keeps my microwave much cleaner. They are easy to luft and have good steam vents so things boil over less. The nostrils allow you to pick it up with a chopstick without thinking of scooping it out with hot soup sauce on you. Number 2. Marna K092 Pig Dropping Splash Lid. Introducing the Marna K092 Pig Dropping Splash Lid, a charming addition to your kitchen. Its adorable pig design makes cooking more enjoyable. This lid features a unique pig nose design with air holes to let steam escape, preventing messy spills. It's perfect for simmering and boiling, ensuring your food cooks evenly. Crafted from soft silicone, it seals and heats efficiently. This helps your dishes cook faster and absorb flavors more deeply, making your meals more delicious. Use it to cover dishes from microwave heating or even as a convenient bottle opener. Its versatile design simplifies your cooking and food preparation. Cleanup is a breeze as it's completely microwave and dishwasher safe. Enjoy hassle-free cooking and easy maintenance with this practical kitchen tool. Made from high-quality silicone rubber, it's built to last. It can withstand high temperatures, making it a reliable choice for all your cooking needs. What we like. This white pig-shaped lid is ideal for preventing spills and ensuring even heat distribution in your frying pan. Its compact size is great for everyday cooking. If you're looking for a practical and cute solution to improve your simmering and boiling, especially for smaller portions, this lid is a great addition to your kitchen. What people say. Easy to clean including top rack of dishwasher. Works as advertised and dishwasher safe. Great for covering bowls in microwave to avoid splatters. It vents well and steams veggies evenly. Number 1. Marna Piggy Steamer. Introducing the Marna Piggy Steamer, a fun and functional kitchen accessory. It's designed to add a touch of charm to your cooking routine. Simply place it on top of your ingredients in a pot. It makes steaming your food easy and convenient. This steamer is also microwave safe. You can use it for quick reheating or steaming in your microwave. Crafted from high-quality silicone, it's durable and built to last. The material is safe for your food and easy to clean. Measuring 6 to 10 inches in diameter, it's the perfect size for most pots and pans. Enjoy perfectly steamed meals every time. What we like. This Piggy Steamer is a simple and effective tool for steaming ingredients directly in a pot. It's microwave safe and made from durable silicone. If you're looking for a straightforward way to steam your food, especially for quick meals or reheating, this is a convenient and easy to use option. What people say. Nostrils on pig lid lets out steam efficiently without making a mess in microwave. It is the perfect size to cover a cereal or soup bowl. I've washed it over and over in the dishwasher with zero ill effect. No signs of staining so far. This little piggy allows me to heat things up in the microwave with no splatter. I use it every single day. It is small so it will only fit over a cup, mug, or small bowl. But it's great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.